Think traveling is expensive? Not if you do it right. In this video, I'll show you how to plan a budget trip step by step, helping you travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. The first step is choosing an affordable destination. Regions like Southeast Asia, Central America, Eastern Europe, and parts of Africa offer rich cultures and beautiful landscapes at a fraction of the cost of pricier places like Western Europe or the U.S. Countries such as Thailand, Vietnam, Mexico, and Albania provide incredible experiences without breaking the bank. Research living costs using sites like Numbeo to estimate daily expenses. Next, set a budget by allocating funds for flights, accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. Aim for $50 per day or less, depending on your destination. Apps like Trail Wallet or Mint help track spending, and overestimating slightly prevents unexpected surprises. Flights can be costly, but tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Hopper help find the best deals. Use incognito mode, be flexible with dates, and consider budget airlines or nearby airports. Redeeming travel points or miles can cut costs significantly. For accommodation, hostels, budget Airbnbs, couch surfing, and house sitting offer affordable or even free stays. Booking early often secures the best rates. When it comes to food, opt for street food, local markets, and lunch specials. Cooking in a hostel kitchen and bringing a reusable water bottle also save money. Use public transport instead of taxis, and walk or rent a bike for short distances. Overnight buses and rideshares like BlaBlaCar reduce travel costs. Free activities like hiking, walking tour, and festivals provide incredible experiences at no cost. Packing light, using no-fee travel credit cards, and getting travel insurance ensure a smooth trip. With the right planning, budget travel is easier than you think. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next adventure.